You have seen the trend, those cute box style gifts packed with themed goodies, but not sure how to make yours. In today's video, I will show you how to replicate your own version completely free using AI. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we've got our prompts to use so that we can get this beautiful creation. So what we're gonna do now is to come here and then put it on this prompt box. So let's just paste it here. This is the result from this prompt. So it's take a little bit more when you create, because we are creating using a free ChatGPT, so it's taking a little bit of time, like more than 2 minutes. So these are the results, and then it looks so cute. This one says it discover nature's wonders, and then another one is here, it says a sweet adventures await. So you can just create anything that is in your mind, as long as it's something that you actually desire. So you can just use the very same prompt that I use, but you can just modify it and then make it yours. I'm gonna just leave this prompt on the description box so that we can access it easily. So another one is here, it's a little explorer, cute it is, and then he's got this a toy on his hand, and then also the coloring book, and also the crayons are there. This looks so cute. And then I've got another one here, this one I love it. It says let's play and learn together. This one is actually great for the kindergarten kids. Okay, so there's written Sunny Park, and there's crayons and another toy teddy bear there, and then there's a lunch box, and then also 2 different crayons. I think this one is the pencil crayons, and then this one is the wax crayons. So they're going to use it to color this this coloring book. So this is so cute. And then if you want to create, let's just paste the prompt, and then we come here, and then we click on this arrow. So you're gonna need to wait. It's gonna take some little bit of time, so you just need to be patient, because we are on a free version of ChatGPT. Okay, so now we are back, and then ChatGPT says I've reached my image creation limit, so I cannot go any further. And just like that, you've got your own custom box set, fun, themed, and completely free to create. The prompts are in the description, so you can start making yours today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people, and it helps my channel to grow. Thanks so much for your support as always. God bless you for being part of this journey. Goodbye.